Welcome back to the weekly AI News Roundup. Every week I break down the biggest AI stories so you don't have to scroll through 100 articles. This week was massive. Let's get into it. Anthropic just dropped Claude 4.5, and it's a game changer. The new model has significantly improved coding capabilities and a context window that can handle entire codebases. What happened? Anthropic released Claude 4.5 with major improvements in code generation, mathematical reasoning, and multi-step task completion. Why it matters? Developers are reporting that Claude 4.5 can now handle complex refactoring tasks that previously required human intervention. The accuracy on coding benchmarks jumped 15% from the previous version. What it means for you: if you're using AI for development, this is now a serious competitor to GPT-4 and might even surpass it for certain coding tasks. My take: the AI coding assistant race is heating up. Competition is driving innovation faster than anyone predicted. Midjourney showed off version 7, and the images look photorealistic. We're talking camera metadata, lens characteristics, everything. What it does: version 7 introduces camera controls, better text rendering, and what they're calling true photorealism mode. The demo, they showed side-by-side comparisons with professional photography, and it's getting harder to tell the difference. Who should care? Anyone creating visual content. The line between AI-generated and real photography is basically gone now. Pricing and availability, rolling out to subscribers over the next few weeks. OpenAI completely overhauled the GPT Store with revenue sharing for creators. You can now monetize your custom GPTs. What happened? The new GPT Store 2.0 includes a revenue sharing program where creators get paid based on usage of their custom GPTs. The business context: OpenAI is building an ecosystem similar to Apple's App Store but for AI agents. Industry implications: this could create a new economy around AI agent development. Early creators are already making thousands per month. How it affects the landscape: we're moving from AI tools to AI apps. This is the beginning of an AI app economy. Meta open-sourced Llama 4, and it's competitive with closed-source models. The open-source AI movement just got a massive boost. What was released? Llama 4 is Meta's latest open-source language model, available in multiple sizes from 7B to 405B parameters. Technical significance: performance benchmarks show it's now competitive with GPT-4 and Claude on most tasks. And it's completely free and open source. practical applications, businesses can now run GPT-4 level AI on their own infrastructure without paying per token fees. Where to find it? Available now on Hugging Face. You can run smaller versions on consumer hardware. For smaller stories in rapid fire. Quick hit 1. Google announced Gemini 2.0 with native multimodal understanding. Text, images, audio, and video processed simultaneously. Game changer for content creators. Quick hit 2. Stability AI released Stable Video 3.0. Free, open source video generation that rivals commercial tools. The community is going wild. Quick hit 3. Adobe integrated Firefly 3 across Creative Cloud. AI is now native in Photoshop, Illustrator, and Premiere. Non-destructive AI editing is here. Quick hit 4. Runway announced real-time video generation. You type a prompt, it generates video in real time as you type. No more waiting. So what does all this mean? This week showed 3 clear trends. First, open source AI is catching up to commercial models faster than anyone expected. The gap is closing. Second, AI tools are becoming platforms. We're seeing ecosystems, marketplaces, and economies forming around AI. Third, the pace isn't slowing down. Every week brings capabilities that would have seemed impossible 6 months ago. The pace of AI development isn't slowing down. If anything, it's accelerating. And if you're not paying attention, you're falling behind. That's it for this week's AI news. If I missed anything major, drop it in the comments. Subscribe so you don't miss next week's roundup. I publish these every Friday. See you in the next one.